Are you tired of mushy keys that hold you back in the heat of battle? Do you dream of that satisfying click that lets you know every command is executed with precision? Well, fellow gamers, fret no more. This video is your one-stop guide to conquering the world of gaming keyboards in 2024. Let's face it, your keyboard is your weapon of choice. It's the bridge between you and digital victory. That's why choosing the right one makes all the difference. So, buckle up as we dive deep into the world of gaming keyboard types. First things first, let's talk about the heart and soul of a gaming keyboard, the switches. There are two main camps: membrane keyboards, known for their quieter, lower profile keys, and mechanical keyboards, the reigning champions of responsiveness and that oh-so-satisfying click. Membrane keyboards are great for budget-conscious gamers, like the Razer Synosa Chroma, offering a comfortable typing experience at a friendly price point. But mechanical switches offer unparalleled feedback with each press. But wait, there's more. Within the mechanical realm lies a world of different switch types. Cherry MX switches are a classic, with red offering smooth, linear travel, perfect for rapid fire in games like FPS titles. If you crave that clicky feedback, Cherry MX Blue is your champion, while brown finds the sweet spot between the two, ideal for gamers who also do a lot of typing. Newer technologies like Razer's optical switches and Logitech's GX Scale low-profile switches are gaining traction, offering even faster response times for serious esports competitors. Do your research and find the switch that speaks to your fingers. But switches are just the beginning. Let's explore some additional features that can elevate your gaming experience. Full-size keyboards offer all the functionality you could ask for, perfect for MMO gamers who might utilize extra macro keys. The Razer Naga Trinity is a great example, offering interchangeable side panels with additional buttons for complex in-game commands. Tenkeyless options ditch the numpad for a more compact feel, ideal for gamers with limited desk space. The Ducky 1-2 Mini is a popular choice, offering a minimalist design without sacrificing performance. Mini keyboards prioritize portability, perfect for the gamer on the go. The N Pro 2 is a crowd favorite, offering Bluetooth connectivity for a truly cable-free setup. Do you crave media controls at your fingertips for adjusting volume or pausing music mid-game? Many keyboards offer dedicated media keys, while some like the Logitech G915 even feature a volume wheel for precise control. Consider your needs and find the perfect layout. Wired keyboards offer the lowest latency for those split-second decisions in fast-paced games. The Razer Viper Ultimate is a wired powerhouse known for its speed and precision. However, wireless keyboards provide cable-free freedom. The Logitech G613 offers a reliable wireless connection with a long battery life, perfect for gamers who prioritize a clean desk setup. Choose wisely, brave gamer. All right, we've explored the landscape. Now, it's time to choose your champion. Remember, the best keyboard is the one that fits your playstyle and budget. Think about the types of games you play, the features you value most, and don't be afraid to try out different keyboards to find your perfect match. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your new keyboard, unleash that perfect click, and dominate the competition. Leave a comment in the section below and tell me about your favorite keyboard type. Happy gaming, everyone!